Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write in Italic in the Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just go into the document that you want to edit. Like this. And then tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. And then tap on the letter A in the top row, and then we can tap on the I, which stands for Italic. And now when we write something, it's going to be in Italic, like this. And if you just want to turn it off, you can turn it off from here by tapping on it again. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.